In today's video, I will be showing you how to find moderation lists on your account on Bluesky, easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the Bluesky application, and then click on these three lines up here, go to the settings. Now you will find moderation. So as you see here, we'll find moderation lists. Click on it. Now you can add the list name in the description and click save, and that's it. So that's how to find the moderation lists on the moderation section, easy and quickly. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.